Hey guys and girls, hope everyone's staying safe. Today we're going to be doing some descaling of our machine. It's about 1.5 years old. I actually haven't done the descaling yet, which is probably not good, but it all depends on your area and what kind of water conditions you've got, whether it's hard water or not. But anyways, we're going to descale this. So what I've done is I've added the pouch. There come 2 in the box. So you get a box like this. You get 2 of them in there. I've added that to 500 mils of water. We're sitting in there, we're ready to go. So what we're going to do is turn the machine on. We're going to hold this down for at least 7 seconds. So now it's blinking. We're going to lock it. We're going to unlock it. We're going to hold it again for 7 seconds at least. So it's flashing again. We're going to lock it. Light's flashing up top, and we're just going to hit the button. So I know that this container is 1 liter capacity, and we've only got, let's say, just over, let's say 600 mils. I think the pack's 100 mils. Yeah, pack's 100 mils. So we know that there's 500 mils in there, plus this is 600, so we're good. So we're just gonna let this run. Like I was saying in the past video, and I couldn't find the actual wording, but there it is right there. It says, never use vinegar as it can damage your machine. And I'm no scientist, but this stuff here comes with a warning of how hazardous it is. Cleaning vinegar, on the other hand, no warnings. CLR, no warnings. So I don't know if they're trying to push their product. I don't know if they're concerned with vinegar for some reason. Again, I'm not a scientist, but this one, like I said, is under warranty. So at least for the time being, we're going to use their descaling fluid. There's going to be no warranty issues. After warranty's up, we can possibly switch to cleaning vinegar, which is probably a quarter of the price, and can be used for many other purposes. And as you can see the size of that container, you're going to get a lot more out of it. So anyways, we're going to let this finish. I'm going to get off my high horse. So, and because of my YouTube and editing skills, I guess you could say, are not what they should be, this video doesn't finish up in 10 minutes. Basically what you do is you let this cycle through and finish up. You rinse out the container really well and any other components that might be on there. Now in this case we don't have anything else, but rinse this out, you fill it up with water, and basically you push the button again and it'll run a rinse cycle, and basically you're ready to go. They say to wait 10 minutes before you have a coffee after that, but it's up to you. I think once you've run probably another 500 mils or whatever the machine decides to run through there, I think after that you're fine. But if not, wait 10 minutes like they say and you're good to go. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. Tell me why in the comments. Think about hitting that subscribe button. We're adding all kinds of stuff. Usually house maintenance stuff, car maintenance, property maintenance right now as it's springtime. We're getting into the nice weather. But I'm looking for suggestions too. So if you guys and gals have any suggestions, maybe we'll take a look at them. But until the next time, take her easy. We'll let this finish. And we'll see you on the next one.